5 Best TKL Keyboard. 1. Corsair K70 Core RGB, best for all-around gaming and typing. First up is the Corsair K70 Core RGB, a tankless mechanical keyboard built for both speed and comfort. It features Corsair's pre-lubed MLX Red V2 linear switches, which are smooth and stable, ideal for both fast gaming and quiet, accurate typing. 2. Glorious GMMK3, best for customization and build quality. Next is the Glorious GMMK3, a beautifully constructed aluminum TKL keyboard designed for customization enthusiasts. Its hot swappable PCB allows you to change out switches easily, no soldering required. You can mix and match switch types to create your perfect layout. 3. Keyron V3 Max, best for multi-device workflows. If you need a keyboard that can switch between multiple devices, the Keyron V3 Max is made for you. It offers 3 connection modes: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired. Paired with Keyron's Smooth K Pro switches and durable double-shot PBT keycaps, the typing experience is as reliable as it is comfortable. 4. Logitech Gro X, best for competitive gaming. If you prioritize speed and precision, the Logitech Gro X is an outstanding wireless mechanical TKL keyboard. It's lightweight, travel-friendly, and features hot swappable GX mechanical switches, allowing you to personalize your typing feel. 5. HyperX Alloy Origins Core, best budget mechanical option. For those looking for quality on a budget, the HyperX Alloy Origins Core is a fantastic mechanical TKL board. It comes with your choice of HyperX Red, Aqua, or Blue switches, offering linear, tactile, or clicky responses.